Hi everybody. I went to the hospital today to get a summer job in the repair station they got. They repair electronics and stuff. And yes, it went good. And just on the way out, I was going through the little dumpster. And in the electronics scrap bin, I found not so much stuff, but I found this light source for a colposcope. It's made in Japan. And why did I take it? Yes, because just first when I saw it, I just thought it was some kind of, oh no. I just wanted to pick it up and see what it was, and I couldn't pick it up. It was too damn heavy with one hand. I just thought, oh, this is something little garbagey stuff, and I couldn't even lift it up. So I hardly can lift it in one hand, but yes, it's very heavy. Good quality stuff made in Japan. Olympus colposcope. This is a light source, not the colposcope itself. So I think it's clean. So this is how actually it works. It actually connects to some kind of binoculars, and the binoculars are connected to another fiber that actually it's a very thin fiber, and it's a little head on the front, and you've actually put it in the vagina to see if everything's okay in there. Yes, that's how it is. That's just a light source and nothing else. Not the binoculars, and of course the wire or the fiber actually put in there wasn't there. That wire actually must be sterilized and stuff. And yes, I don't want that. I just want the light source, which is this little part here. It's just a light source. And this is how they look like. Actually, colposcope. Here's the light source that I got here, and that's the fiber that comes out. Up here we got the binoculars, and onto that they connect a little fiber tube. And the fiber tube looks something like this. Actually pull the wire through this. That's the end of that connects to the binoculars, and that part we put near the vagina and pull the wire through it. So you can see exactly how it looks like, if there's any injuries in there. So yes, that's what it is. And this thing weighs nearly 20 kilos, very heavy. It's a huge ass transformer in it. It's actually supposed to run all day long without any problems. This is a fan, and there's a big light bulb in it. Let's take a look on the light bulb. It's very easy to open it, like that. And here it is. It's just a normal halogen lamp. No arc lamp. Yes, there it is. So a little diachronic mirror. There's a front hole. You can't see it, but there's actually a little shutter in there that you actually can adjust with this knob on the top. So it actually regulates how much light is coming out. And in there, for safety, there's two micro switches that detects if the light bulb is out or in. Here's actually the fiber connector. It's supposed to screw in like that. It actually works pretty good. Let's turn it on, see how it is. So let's turn it on. As you can see, it's pretty bright. So I put this welding glass on the front of the camera. I'd like to take a look inside it. And in there you can see the shutter. So I adjust that. Just turn the knob. See more lights coming out. It's a bit hard to see the shutter actually. I think I need to put two of these welding glasses on each other. And yes, here we got two of these glass on each other, and you can see now the shutter that goes on the light bulb inside it. Little metal plate. So let's connect the fiber on it. And here it is with the fiber connected to it. It's a very good thing. Because I don't actually want the... normally got that light bulb when I'm actually soldering and actually controlling this solder joints. But now I can use this. That's on the low now. Shutter is on the lowest. You can see it's pretty good. It appears a bit bright on the camera, but in real life that's very good. So I turn it all the way up, and I'll put a little piece of electrical tape on the front. There's a very hot light. I'm actually focusing that on the tape. You can see it's smoking quite a bit. So that's a very hot beam. So I can actually shrink tubing with this. So that's good. So it's maybe a bit bright now, but if I turn it down, it gets absolutely great. That's a good thing. Now I need to find a place for it. Yes, find a great place for it. Just put my solder iron on the top. That actually has a little suction tube as well. It actually sucks the smoke away. And yes, pretty good place for it. Very helpful when I'm making PCBs to find problems in them. If they're not working, because all the joints is faulty. It's a pretty good thing. Works absolutely great. Thanks for watching.